day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Beast and I'd like you to meet my sea lion friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident! Her name is Isis. Together with trainer David, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, don't be shy girl. Her name is Ira. Together trainer JB, say hello. Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea why they're called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers?
Tingin ka dun.
Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their broad flippers which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as